Imagine if building better habits and improving your mental health felt like taking care of a cute virtual pet. Well, that's exactly what Finch is. Finch is a self-care app with a twist. Instead of tracking goals or journaling in a cold interface, you raise a tiny bird, your Finch companion, that grows as you grow. Every time you complete a task, write a reflection, take a deep breath, or even just drink water, your bird gets stronger, happier, and more adventurous. You're not just working on yourself, you're helping your little buddy thrive. The app combines habit tracking, gratitude journaling, mindfulness exercises, and daily reflections. But it's all wrapped in a warm, gamified experience that actually feels fun. And yes, you get to name your bird, choose their style, and watch them go on adventures. The better your self-care routine, the more they unlock new places and memories. It's a surprisingly effective motivator, but is Finch really worth it? Let's be real, there are tons of self-care apps on the market, and most of them feel clinical, boring, or quickly get deleted. Finch is different because it's emotionally engaging. You're not checking off boxes just to track your progress. You're doing it for your Finch. That bond, even though it's digital, actually encourages consistency in a way most apps can't. It's not perfect, of course. Some features are locked behind a premium plan, like detailed mood tracking or certain guided exercises, but the free version already offers plenty, and you can genuinely improve your daily habits without spending a cent. The app also avoids pushing toxic productivity. It gently encourages you, but it doesn't shame you for skipping a day or having a low energy week. In a world full of hustle culture, that feels refreshing. So, who is Finch for in 2025? If you're someone who struggles to stay consistent with self-care apps, or just wants a more emotional and playful way to take care of your mental health, Finch is absolutely worth trying. It's a gentle, kind, and surprisingly motivating app that turns personal growth into something you'll actually want to do.